Now, this is topic number 8.3.1, type of redox reaction. In case of redox reaction, here mainly four different type of reactions are there. So here see, one is combination and it is completed. First of all, combination, decomposition, displacement. Now fourth one is disproportionation reaction. So what is meaning of disproportionation? Especially in case of disproportionation reaction, whenever we are calculating oxidation number from reactant to product side, then more than two different type of oxidation state will come. More than two different type of oxidation state will come. जैसे देखो इसमें सी तो disproportionation reactions are special type of redox reaction. In disproportionation reaction, an element in one oxidation state is simultaneously oxidized and reduced. Here again I am repeating, in disproportionation reaction, an element in one oxidation state is simultaneously oxidized and reduced. One of the reacting substance in a disproportionation reaction always contains an element that can exist in at least three oxidation state. Clear? Here एक ही एलिमेंट का थ्री डिफरेंट ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट will come. This is one type of special reaction where एक ही एटम का more than we can say that here two oxidation state will come. Now the element in form of reacting substance is an intermediate oxidation state, and both higher and lower oxidation states of that element are formed in the reaction. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? The element in the form of reacting substance is in the intermediate oxidation state, and both higher and lower oxidation states of that element are formed in the reaction. Clear? Now here example. Now we will discuss disproportionation in different type of example. तो पहला क्या आता है? Decomposition of H2O2 is a familiar example of reaction where oxygen experiences disproportionation. जैसे reaction है H2O2, तो whenever we are calculating oxidation state of oxygen, then here -1 will come. Here we can say that -1, here -2 and 0 will be there. मतलब एक ही ऑक्सीजन का क्या होता है -1, -2 एंड 0. तो आप कंपेयर करो, लिखा था ना थ्री ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट विल कम हियर. क्लियर? हियर ऑक्सीजन ऑफ पेरोक्साइड, इसको बोलते हैं पेरोक्साइड, विच इज प्रेजेंट इन -1 स्टेट इज कन्वर्टेड टू 0 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट इन O2 and decreases to -2 oxidation state in water molecule is there. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? So this is first example of disproportionation reaction. Now phosphorus in P4, sulfur, chlorine undergo disproportionation in alkaline medium. Alkaline का मतलब होता है basic. Clear? Phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine undergo disproportionation in alkaline medium as shown below. ये reaction P4 hydroxide water molecule PH3 तो H2PO2. तो whenever we are calculating, here oxidation number of P4 will be 0, phosphorus का -3 और इधर पे +1 will come. Clear? Similarly, next example is sulfur. In SA12 hydroxide, here see again, see if we are calculating oxidation number, here 0, -2, +2 will come. Same condition will come in case of chlorine also. Here 0, +1, -1 will be there. Clear? In above three reaction, so reaction 3 describe the formation of household bleaching agent. Clear? The hypochlorite ion, जिसको ClO- बोलते हैं, formed in the reaction oxidizes the color bearing stains of the substance to colorless compound. मतलब कोई भी कलरिंग मटेरियल है ना, कलर, तो कलर को रिमूव करने के लिए here we are using this type of material. Clear? Now it is of interest to mention here that whereas Br2 and I2 follow the same trend as exhibited by chlorine. मतलब whatever trend is there in case of chlorine, same trend will be explained by bromine, iodine and chlorine also. Clear? Now in reaction 3, here in reaction 3, fluorine shows deviation from this behavior when it react with alkali. अब क्या करने का, ये वाला रिएक्शन, not 3 but here we can say that this one. Now the reaction that take place in case of fluorine is as follows. Fluorine है hydroxide, fluoride minus OF2H2O. So here F2 will undoubtedly attack water to produce some oxygen also. मतलब whenever reaction will take place, here oxygen will be also produced. So on the basis of reaction 4, we can say that among all halogen, fluorine does not show disproportionation tendency. So this is drawback of disproportionation reaction. Out of this fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine, the fluorine will not show disproportionation reaction. So this is complete information, correct? Now this is topic number 8.3.2. This is balancing. Now how to balance any chemical reaction? In case of redox reaction, for balancing purpose, so mainly two methods are there. Here we can say that how many? Two methods are there. Clear? Out of these two methods, one we can say that oxidation number method and second one is half reaction method. One we can say that oxidation number method and second one we can say that half reaction method. So both of these methods are in use and choice of their use rests with the individual using them. Clear? आप ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर भी यूज कर सकते हो, हाफ रिएक्शन मेथड भी यूज करते हो. क्लियर? तो whenever we are using this type of method, to actually see here some word problem will be given. Here we can say that some word problem will be given. तो word problem से पहले क्या करना है, बैलेंसिंग चालू करना है. तो now first of all we will discuss here oxidation number method. इसमें क्या करने का, see in writing equation for oxidation reduction just as for other reactions, the composition and formula must be known for the substance that react and the products that are formed. Clear? So whenever we are interacting any material, then see here word problem will be given. So you have to remember what is, we can say that, correct formula in each condition. Clear? So now in case of oxidation number method, in case of oxidation number method is now best illustrated in following steps. मतलब whenever you are interested to specify or solve or balance any chemical reaction with the help of oxidation number method, then first of all we have to follow these many steps. तो उसमें step 1 क्या है, तो see in case of numerical problem, here means word problem will be given. So what will happen in case of step 1? So first of all write correct formula. First of all write correct formula for each reactant as well as product. Step 1, first of all write correct formula for each reactant as well as product. मतलब whatever word problem will be given, on the basis of that word problem, first of all try to write down correct formula for each reactant as well as product. Now in step 2, identify atom which undergo change in oxidation number, change in oxidation number in reaction by assigning the oxidation number to all element in the reaction. मतलब कोई भी रिएक्शन होता है ना, here reactant will be there as well as product will be there. So we have to determine here which type of thing, means oxidation number in reactant as well as we can say that in product side. Clear? So this is step 1. So write down correct formula. Step 2, identify change in oxidation number. Clear? Now in step 3, calculate increase or decrease in oxidation number per atom. Now calculate increase or decrease in oxidation number per atom for entire molecule or ion in which it occurs. Clear? Here we have to find out increase or decrease in oxidation number per atom for entire molecule or ion in which it occurs. If these are not equal, suppose if these are not equal, then multiply by suitable coefficient. Multiply by suitable coefficient so that this becomes equal. Clear? If you realize that two substances are reduced and nothing is oxidized or vice versa, so something is wrong. Either the formula of reactant or products are wrong, or the one or oxidation number have not been assigned properly. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? Suppose इसके अंदर प्रॉब्लम आ सकता है. अब ये प्रॉब्लम क्या है? See, if you realize that two substances are reduced, यदि two substances are reduced and nothing is oxidized or vice versa, it means something is wrong during calculation of oxidation number. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? इसलिए आपको ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर फिर प्रॉपरली कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है? उसके बाद सी स्टेप 4. नाउ ascertain the involvement of ions. Ascertain the involvement of ion, and if the reaction, if we can say that the reaction C is taking place in water, add H plus or OH minus ion. If reaction is taking place in water, then add H plus or OH minus ion to the expression on the appropriate side. Here appropriate side, so that the total ionic charges of reactant and products are equal. Here we can say that charges of reactant as well as product should be, again we can say that, equal. Clear? Now if the reaction is carried out in acidic solution, then use H plus ion in equation. And if in basic solution, then use hydroxide ion in the reaction. Clear हुआ? So this is complete information of step 4. Here ascertain the involvement of ion. If the reaction is taking place in water, add H plus or OH minus ion to the expression on the appropriate side, so that total ionic charges of reactant and products are equal. मतलब आपको आयन ऐसे यूज करना है कि लेफ्ट हैंड साइड as well as right hand side, here we can say that charges are equal. Clear? अब उसके बाद क्या करना है? See, if the reaction is carried out in acidic solution, then use H plus ion in the equation, and if basic solution, then use hydroxide ion in the solution. Clear? So this is complete information, and this one is most important step during balancing. So this one is, again we can say that, most important steps. उसके बाद क्या आता है? Now step 5 will be there. To make the number of hydrogen atom in the expression on the two sides equal by adding water molecule to the reactant or product. Again I am repeating. Now make the number of hydrogen atom in the expression on the two side equal by adding water molecule to the reactant or product. And now also check the number of oxygen atom. Also check the number of oxygen atom. If there are the same number of oxygen atom, if there are the same number of oxygen atom in the reactant and product, the equation then represent the balanced redox reaction. Correct? In case of step number 5, what will happen? To make the number of hydrogen atom in expression on the two side equal by adding water molecule to the reactant or product. Now also check the number of oxygen atom. Clear? If there are the same number of oxygen atom in the reactant and product, the equation then represent the balanced redox reaction. मतलब after applying these, here we can say that 5 steps, we can find out correct balanced chemical equation. मैं फिर से प्रीफर कर दूं. See, in case of balancing redox reaction method, here means two different type of methods are. One is oxidation number method, second one is half reaction method. In case of oxidation number method, step 1, see, in case of numerical problem, word problem will be given. Clear? Here means word problem will be given. तो आपको पहले क्या करना है? तो first of all, word problem can be converted into simple chemical form. तो उसके लिए क्या किया? Write the correct formula. First of all, write down correct formula, reactant side as well as product side. Clear? First step. Then step 2, identify, here we can say that correct oxidation number in left hand side as well as right hand side. पहला क्या है? करेक्ट फॉर्मूला. सेकंड क्या है? कैलकुलेशन ऑफ ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर बाय अप्लाइंग रूल ऑफ ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट वाला. क्लियर? इफ स्टेप 2 इज रॉन्ग, देन इन दैट कंडीशन बैलेंसिंग कैन नॉट बी डू अंडर प्रॉपर वे. फिर आता है स्टेप 3. नाउ ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ स्टेप 2, नाउ फाइंड आउट which species will increases and which one will decreases. So on the basis of increase or decrease, now for balancing purpose, identify, here means suitable multiple factor. जैसे नहीं 2 लाइन का इक्वेशन फैक्टर में हम लोग सॉल्व करते थे, वैसे here on the basis of step 2, find out either increase or decrease in oxidation number left hand side or right hand side. Clear हुआ? And on the basis of that, here find out which number is suitable for we can say that here means for which number is suitable for balancing purpose. Clear? Then step 4, ascertain the involvement of ion. Suppose if ions are there, then find out here water molecule and add H plus or OH minus ion to the expression on appropriate side, so that total ionic charges of reactant and products are equal. Now in step 4, one of the most important thing, that is medium. So your reaction may be occur either we can say that in acidic medium or we can say that in basic medium. In acidic medium, use H plus ion in the equation, while in basic solution use OH minus ion. Clear? Acidic medium H plus ion and basic medium OH minus ion. ठीक है? अब आता है स्टेप नंबर 5. तो मेक द नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम इन एक्सप्रेशन. अब क्या करना है? चलो यहाँ पे चार्ज बैलेंस हो गया. नाउ स्टार्ट बैलेंसिंग विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू हाइड्रोजन. तो मेक द नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम इन एक्सप्रेशन on the two side equal by adding water molecule to the reactant or product. Now also check number of oxygen atom. If there are same number of oxygen atom in reactant and product side, it means your reaction is balanced. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? मतलब आपको number of hydrogen एंड नंबर ऑफ ऑक्सीजन दोनों साइड पे चेक कर लेना है। सपोज जो सेम है इसका मतलब योर रिएक्शन इज बैलेंस, इसलिए इसको बोलते हैं ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर मेथड। क्लियर हुआ? अब सेकंड वाला आता है हाफ रिएक्शन मेथड। अब चलो, व्हाट इज ड्रॉबैक ऑफ ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर मेथड? इन केस ऑफ ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर मेथड and it is 101% means correct, but so many time atom may be balanced, but here we can say that we are unable to balance charge with the help of oxidation number method. What will happen? We can balance number of atom, but we are unable to balance here charge. मतलब so many time atom will be balanced, but charge may be not balanced. That's why we are developing one new method and it is normally known as half reaction method. तो हाफ रिएक्शन में क्या होगा, मैं ब्रीफ अप कर दूं तो स्टेप 1 और स्टेप 2 दोनों सेम होगा, बट स्टेप 3 के बाद हियर सेपरेशन विल बी डन. इट मींस हियर ऑक्सीडेशन एंड रिडक्शन हाफ विल बी सेपरेटेड आउट एंड देन आफ्टर अप्लाई सेम कांसेप्ट स्टेप 4 5 इज देयर. क्लियर? मतलब इन केस ऑफ हाफ रिएक्शन मेथड क्या करना है, स्टेप 1 और 2 कॉमन है, स्टेप 3 से नाउ आपको पता चल जाएगा कि विच वन इज ऑक्सीडाइज्ड एंड विच वन इज रिड्यूस्ड, तो आपको उसको अलग अलग कर देना है बस. और यहाँ पे सी इन केस ऑफ हाफ रिएक्शन मेथड, इन केस ऑफ हाफ रिएक्शन मेथड अल्टीमेटली वी आर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बैलेंसिंग चार्ज एंड चार्ज कैन बी बैलेंस्ड. Charge can be balanced with the help of electron. Charge can be balanced with the help of electron. फिर क्या करने का, फिर से स्टेप 4 आएगा 5 आएगा और after applying this 5 step, finally we are adding here oxidation half and reduction half, and in this way we can find out total reaction. Clear? अब कोई बोले कि out of oxidation number and half reaction method which one is better? The half reaction method is better as compared to oxidation number method, because in case of half reaction method atom and charge both can be balanced, while in case of oxidation number method so many time atom may be balanced but charge can not be balanced. अब हम लोग ये पूरा कंसेप्ट अप्लाई करेंगे प्रॉब्लम में, ठीक है?